Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
I'm Niley.
For today's vlog ay papanoorin natin ang up-close and personal video ng ating Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga 2024. That's Cyril Payumo. It's a personality interview challenge. Ang mananalo sa challenge na to ay automatically papasok sa semifinals with the most number of votes sa Miss Universe Philippines app. To vote for Cyril,
just download the Miss Universe Philippines app and then go to the challenge vote tabs, and then nasa third tab siya na makikita sa pinakababa ng app, and then scroll down and vote for the one you think should win the challenge.
So if you think na si Cyril ang dapat manalo sa challenge na to, vote na kayo, and without any further ado, let's watch this. Tignan muna natin ang kanyang OOTD.
Wow,
it's very
blazing
feminine. Red ba? Parang pag gumanon ako para siyang fuchsia pink na, pero red siya, no?
Oo, red.
Ang ganda din itong babaeng to, Diyosa din siya.
On top of my bucket list, I want to travel alone because I've never experienced that before, because I've always with my friends, with my co-candidates before, we traveled together. So one of my bucket lists is to travel alone in the place. You know, I'm a nature lover, so I would go to Batanes alone.
Wow!
My bucket list.
Napaka-brave, diba? And very experimental. And mahirap yun. Mahirap mag-travel ng alone. Like, it takes a lot of courage.
Ikaw ba nakapag-travel alone ka na ba?
Hindi naman siya travel talaga. Ano yun? Parang lumandi alone.
Like, I feel like kasi, what I love about her answer is very realistic, na pwede siyang gawin na agad-agad na bucket list. So, yung parang hindi ka gaya nung, kailangan pang maraming gawin. Yung pwede niyang gawin kaagad.
Well, I've always been fascinated about designing interior spaces. Whenever I have time, I will always search for different designs, concepts, and styles. And you know, I think that's how I express myself when it comes to creativity.
She's a creative person somehow.
Nakaka-relate ako sa kanya kasi ako, although hindi ko linya yung interior design, I always love yung mga interior spaces.
Kinikip mo lang sa Pinterest.
Pinterest. Pinipin ko lang silang lahat, ganun.
Maybe because I'm introvert before, so I always share to my co-candidates that if you have free time, we can go out, we can get along. So I want to change that personality to go out of my comfort zone.
Feel ko na kahit yung the way she talks, na talagang hindi siya ganun ka extrovert. Hindi introvert talaga siya.
Tinatry niya, kailangan maging extrovert siya kasi yung line of work niya rin is into real estate. So, kailangan mo rin talagang makipag-interact to different kinds of people, of individuals from different walks of life. It's a challenge talaga.
Kudos to her for joining the pageant. Na in the first place, kailangan mo talagang maging extrovert.
You need to interact with different personalities, so it's a challenge. Good job, girl. si Kelsey, taga Pampanga. So yun guys, and if you think na karapat dapat si Cyril manalo sa challenge na to enter into the semifinals, don't forget to vote for her on the Miss Universe Philippines app. And thank you at sinamahan niyo kami sa nagdaan video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
Ayun guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!